Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the TV is on the same local network and that you know the DNS addresses you plan to use. Using your remote, open settings, then all settings, make sure you select network. Once there, choose Wi-Fi connection or wired Ethernet depending on your setup. You need to reach the network status or advanced settings screen to edit IP settings. Doing this now saves time, because the TV must release the old DHCP settings. You'll move into advanced or IP settings and change address mode from automatic to manual so you can enter DNS servers. Once selected, keep the existing IP, subnet mask, and gateway values if shown. Don't change them unless you know what you're doing. Now enter your primary DNS, then the secondary DNS. Press OK or save after each entry. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that you use periods between octets. Incorrect typing is the most common error here. After entering DNS values, save and exit to trigger a network reconnect, then run the TV's network test to confirm DNS resolution. If sites or apps still fail, restart the TV to force a fresh connection and DNS cache clear. If problems continue, switch back to automatic to verify connectivity, then re-enter DNS manually or try an alternate DNS like 1.1.1.1. If nothing works, reboot your router and test on another device to isolate whether the TV or the network is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.